Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steph. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are a return subscriber, welcome back and thanks for sticking around with me. And if you want to see how I achieved this flawless bone straight 6x6 closure from start to finish, please keep on watching. This video is basically a self-explanatory. I will be doing a voiceover anyway. Your girl got code, please bear with me, but really I'm very convinced that you will understand as you are watching the video if you want to try to make your own 6x6 closure at home. So guys, this is actually my first time of working with 6x6 closure. Of course, I've worked with 4x4, 5x5 many times, but child, 6x6 is a little bit tricky to work with. Trust me on this one. Trust me. I want to make sure that it's very flat. As you can see, as I'm doing here, I'm stretching it to make sure the closure is very flat. Don't pull your closure way too much forward. If I'm working with 4x4, I can pull 1 inch, but with 6x6, ½ inch will be perfect. Starting from the side first, don't sew on the band of your wig cap. No ma'am, because if you do, your cap would not be flexible and we don't want that, period. I'm sewing on the cap materials. I'm not sewing on the band. I mean, my needle is not going through the cap elastic band. Let me take it again. I said I'm sewing on the cap material, not on the band. No, I mean my needle is not going through the cap elastic band. Okay. Especially if you are working with 6x6 closure, make sure you are giving a gap between your cap and the band of your closure. Okay, please do this. I promise you, your 6x6 closure will lay flat. So for more security, I'm going to sew backward again. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same step on this side. So guys, because this cap is bigger than my 21 inches mannequin head, I'm just going to go ahead and sew it down like so. And for my bundles, I'm using 3 bundles, 18 inches Brazilian Huma hair, and my closure was 16 inches also Brazilian closure, and this bundle is already washed and deep conditioned. Guys, as you can see here, also I'm not sewing on my elastic band. This is very important, please. And I'm sewing on a single weft for my first bundle. I'm gonna double my second bundle. Yeah. for my second bundle, this is how I'll be sewing the weft back and forth till I get the last track. So guys, on to the last track. Never ever sew on your closure, because you might want to change it later, and if you have old wig at home, don't throw it away. I have a video on how you can replace your old closure and turn it to a brand new wig. It's gonna be in the description below, and I will also link it up here if you want to check it out. So guys, this closure doesn't come with any part. See how flawless this part is. OMG. I'm becoming a pro. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I'm sorry I lost the clip, but anyways, it's simple. Just pat your closure where you want it to be, and gently, I repeat, gently take your tweezer and twist it carefully. Please, you want to make sure you are doing this part very carefully, not to put a hole in your lace. So I'm just gonna plug a little from the closure to make it look more realistic. If you want to see more details on how I plug my closure, just check it out once you are done watching this one. So next is to flat this beautiful hair. I'm using just one product, and that is the castor oil. I love this part. So guys, I'm just gonna take my hot comb now to comb the closure bar, because I want the closure, I want the front of the closure to be very flat. You want to be careful while doing this part, because if your hot comb is too hot, you might end up burning your hair as well as your lace closure. Please be careful. So I want this hair to be very, very bone straight. So I'm basically running my flat iron through the hair. This hair is so slick for the girls. Oh, I mean, I don't need to tell you anything, guys. You can see for yourself. This hair is so beautiful. So, oh God, I'm so in love. If you want it, you can contact me. I can make one for you. But I'm sorry, this is my own. Yeah, it's my own. It's my own. Let's wrap up this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video also with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.